Hello guys, good day. So this is Godfred, the CEO of Mission Beats. In today's video, we are going to learn about a popular half bag. So we are going to learn how to make the popular half bag. And the items that you are going to need is a pair of scissors and also a 0.7 fishing line. Yes, those are the items that you are going to need. So before I start or continue, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, and you can equally turn on the notification button to stay notified on each new video I post. If you are seeing this on TikTok too, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. I shall be posting tutorial videos there regularly, so you can enjoy them as well. So first, let's cut our fishing line. Here I have a sizable amount that my hand can handle, but you can equally cut about 150 centimeters. Yes, and fold it into two. So you'll insert about 4 beads into one fishing line, one side of the fishing line. So this is my left. I inserted 4 beads into my left. Then with the opposite fishing line, I crossed it with the last bead. So you make sure your ends are equal, then you pull it to the base of it, just as seen in the video. You pull it to the very base of it. So this is what you're supposed to get, and you go again. So you're going to pick 3 beads, 1 bead in our left hand fishing line, then the other goes into our right hand fishing line. Then with the very last one, that is where you cross it with it. So you can insert into any one, then you cross it with the opposite fishing line, just as I'm doing. I inserted it into the left handed fishing line, then crossed it with my right. So you can equally pull that to the very base of it and tighten it. You stretch it for it to tighten, and this is what you're supposed to get. If you don't get this, kindly go back and rewatch the video again, because you might probably have missed a part. So you continue the very second step throughout till you get about 31. So over here, one in our left, one in our right, then we crossed with the last one. So we are going to make about 31 beats, just as seen here. So let me show you. Yes, this is what you're making. This part, the outer portion, that is what you're making, and it's about 31 beats. So very soon I'll be showing you how to count it, but right now in what I've made only 3. Yes, so we have a lot more to do. So just as I said before, 1 bead in our left, 1 bead in our right, then you cross with the last one. You can equally put 2 beads in your left, then 1 bead in your right, then you use the right hand to cross the very last bead in your left. But if that will be a problem, just insert 1 bead in your left, 1 bead in your right, then the last one you cross it with each fishing line. So as I said, you continue the same thing throughout till you get your 31 beads. And before I continue, lest I forget, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click on the notification button to stay notified on each new video I post. You can equally leave a comment, that is if you have any questions, and I'll be glad to provide answers for it. If you are seeing this video on any other social media, you can equally follow my YouTube channel, that is Mission Beats on YouTube. I'll be posting more tutorial videos there, so you can actually enjoy them as well and learn how to bead from the basis. So we are still continuing with our beading. Over here we have about 6 already made, so we are going to continue down till we get our 31. 1 bead in our left, 1 in our right, then we cross both fishing lines with the last one. You do the same thing over and over again till you get your 31. So as I said, if you missed any step, you can go back and start watching the video again, so that you can equally catch up. I'll be posting the part 2 very soon, right after this, so stay tuned. So 1 in our left, 1 in our right, then we cross it. Okay, so let me forward the video over here so that I can quickly make our 31. So it's the same thing that I showed in you previous that I'm doing. One bead in our left, one in our right, then I'll cross it with the last one. So we are supposed to get 31. So just as I did previously. Okay, so let's hold on and count it and see if we've gotten our 31. Yes, so let me make one before I count, because I believe that won't be 31 by now. Yes, so one in our left, one in our right, then we cross it and pull it down to get to the base. Yes, and we tighten it as well. Let's go again. One in our left, one in our right. The last bit, that is where you cross the opposite line with it. Okay, so now let's count. 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. Okay, so you are left with about 3. But with the 3, let me forward it a bit. So what I do is I'll cross, I'll do 2, then with the very last one I will insert one bead. I will insert 2 beads in my left hand, then cross it with the last bead in my right. Yeah, so the very last one, that is for the very last one, the 31st bead, you will insert 2 beads in your left, then you cross it to the last one in order for it to turn as shown in the video. So this part is what we just made. We are done with that. Kindly stay tuned for part 2. I'll be posting part 2 very soon. As I said, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel and don't forget to follow me for more. Yes, so this is what you're supposed to get. If you didn't get this, kindly rewatch the video. I'll be posting the part 2 very soon. Stay tuned.